Maybe you followed every step of this free online business course, but you have yet to make your first sale, and a quiet voice is telling you that maybe this thing isn't going to work. Well, I want to answer that voice directly today because not only am I not worried, but you shouldn't be worried either, especially if you know you've done the work. I'm going to show you the one asset that turns a silent start into a steady stream of the right customers, and that's your free offer. So by the end of this video, you'll have your free offer defined, the one specific thing that you give away that earns trust and makes your paid offer the obvious next step. And then, because this is the finale, I'm going to walk you back through everything you've built so far so you can see the whole business you now hold in your hands. Now, this is the 10th and final part of my free course from idea to online business. You can find a link to the playlist and your free online course toolkit in the show notes. Now, when people usually hear free offers, they think that it's junk. Or they may think that they're giving the good stuff away for nothing, which couldn't be further from the truth. And here's the model I endorse when it comes to content. You give away the information, but you sell the implementation. Your free offer solves one specific problem completely, so that person comes away thinking, if this is what they're giving away, then I can only imagine what happens when I work with them. Your social media content is a great way to prove this point, and I'd encourage you to think that way with every piece of content you create. Your free offer doesn't water down your paid offer, it actually proves it. And here's the part that should take the pressure off of you. A free offer is how you build trust at scale before anyone has to spend $1. So you're not begging for sales, you're earning the right to make them because you've earned people's trust. So no, I'm not worried at all that you haven't sold anything yet. Selling is what happens after trust, and your free offer is how you build that trust on purpose. Here's how you know if you have a free good offer. It should solve one problem completely and lead naturally to your paid offer. More importantly, it should be of such quality that you feel like you can sell it. If you don't feel like you can sell it, even for a few bucks, then don't give it away, because there's enough junk out there, free and paid. Denise's offer teaches families how to advocate through an entire hospital stay. So her free offer is one slice of that solved completely. The 10 questions to ask in the first 24 hours of a hospital admission. One page, one real terrifying moment, completely handled. So you could download this at midnight, use it the next morning, and it works. And when Denise mentions that she has a full program, then there's no convincing necessary because the experience already proves that what Denise brings to the table is valuable. The free offer didn't give away the business, it opened the door to it. So what's the quick win you're going to help your customer get? I want you to take one specific piece of your paid transformation, the most urgent, the most immediate slice, and define a simple resource that solves that completely. It could be a checklist, a short guide, a template. Whatever it is, it doesn't have to be elaborate. Just make sure it solves that problem. That free offer is the front door to everything else you've built. Now, assuming you've been following from the very beginning, I want you to look at what you actually have. 10 videos ago, you just had a feeling, a sense that you were meant for more with no clear path to it. And look at where you are now. You found the idea that was built into you, the one that was hiding in plain sight. You profiled the one real person that you're here to serve. You listened to your market. You learned what to build. You packaged it into an offer built around their transformation, not your process. And you made a plan to put it in front of the exact people who were looking for it. You wrote the invitation to enroll. You found your first customers. You've accomplished so much. You've even anchored your price to the cost of the problem. You've designed systems so the business doesn't overwhelm you. And now you've built a free offer that opens the door to it all. This is not a dream anymore. This is your business. You didn't watch someone else build one. You built your own, one step at a time, right alongside me. You are part of the climb, climbing along with me, building your dream to serve others. And if the sales haven't come yet, then I want you to hear from someone who's walked that same road. Galatians 6:9 says, "Don't be weary in well-doing, for in due season you will reap if you don't lose heart." Okay? You can't plant a seed and then rush the harvest. And the same is true in business. So keep showing up, keep serving, keep giving away the quick wins, keep earning people's trust, and I promise you that sales are the last thing you'll have to worry about. Your gift is the answer to someone's prayer, so don't make people pray longer than they have to just because you won't take action out of fear. People need what you bring to the table. So if you've been through all 10 videos, I want you to leave a comment and just let me know what has really stood out to you and also what you'd like to see next. Now remember, the free Idea to Online Business Toolkit has every worksheet from the series, free offer planner included. You enter your email once and you get all of it. And you'll also start getting the Prosperous newsletter where I share business and wealth insights every single week. One download, one list, no hoops. Link in the description. This is the end of Idea to Online Business, your free online course, but it's the start of your journey, and thank you for letting me be a part of it. Now, once again, my name is Ralph, and I want to thank you so much for tuning into your source for building a business and wealth God's way. Always remember that faith plus work equals success, and I can't wait to see what you build. I know it's going to be beautiful, and thank you again for being part of this journey with me. Take care, and God bless.